I'm gonna just show you how to, after do your, later for instance you finish to do your sync using HubSpot operations app as some coded action with your code. So now you can try to clean it up or try to optimize it a bit. So yeah, as you can see in the Reddit, people they talk about it already. Is it technical possible to write an AI to optimize code and stuff like that? So there is different kind of yeah, ideas around that and stuff like that in comment. So now we're gonna do the test. So what I do is I do use the mixture of ChatGPT. So I'm using use advanced reasoning and also I'm using DeepSeek. So just to check my code around. So this is my code. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna just first of all just I'm gonna comment it out so that we can have our own let's save it and just check. Okay, anyways, fine, because we have some the double comment here. So we're gonna just copy this code here. So just make sure that when you are doing you must really first of all write your code, and then to write your logic, you test your logic nicely, and then after that, the only thing now is gonna just be optimization, because of it's gonna help you to debug your code nice if there is an issue. So it's going to be a good way for you to give your AI a best kind of like prompt so that it can help you solve certain bugs. So the point is that you need to really understand the context and build the proper logic. So yeah. So this code, the way that is doing is just doing a sync. So which means that it creates record if the record does not exist. Let's say for instance from a two system, from portal A to portal B, and then exchange IDs records. So now let's test with, we're gonna try with DeepSeek. So this is first of all our code. So you can have it here. Search your record first, find the record. If the record exists, and then you can update. If the record doesn't exist, you can what create, and then after that exchange IDs. All right. So now come here. Okay. So we have to stop this. Okay. So we're gonna have to ask first of all a nice prompt. Optimize my code. Okay, this is just a basic one. Just optimize my code. So let's see what's gonna give to us. Okay, so everything is under control there. You can see everything that you have. So here they did put some validate input fields. Let's check if we have, yeah. You must just compare what is doing there. Okay, we have a callback. All right. So as you can see in HubSpot, we're just using callback in this way. So you can see it's putting did add on this. So you must always double check what the input that has been added, and then you're gonna test also whatever is giving to you. So as you can see there, everything is fine. Okay, so it did list for us nicely like that. See, as we have it, we had it like this. Okay, make it in line. We have our updates. All right. And then it did record updated, and then give us a callback. It's giving us two console.log. So as here we only have console.log, we do not have a callback output field. And then here we have that in line. Nice. create new record. So we have this. All right. So yeah, as you can see there, and then after that, you remove the double things that I did have there. Okay. So now we can ask now ChatGPT the same thing. Is optimize. Or let's just say optimize, like we say the same thing there. Optimize my code. So we're using the same test that we did best in DeepSeek. So okay, let's see this one. Okay, so as you can see now here, giving us some explanation there. Okay, early return for input validation, return immediately if environment variable required fields are missing, streamline search, search request, and then the total. Okay, so we have this. It did move portal B and portal A up here. As you can see, we had only portal A there, and then define we only have portal B there, and then define portal A inside here somewhere. Yeah, and then it did fix it there. If we compare with DeepSeek, yeah, DeepSeek did not mix it there. It just keep it aside. Okay, so now I'm gonna do this one here. Let's check. Okay, as you can see this one. So DeepSeek here only have B token, one B token, and then after that we have the other one that's the portal A one there. So ChatGPT did give us portal B and portal A, as you can see. And then we're checking throw new error, portal B environment variables not set. We have this one here, descriptive input field. Okay, missing required input field, we have there. Okay. Okay. So at least here, search record in portal B by integrating ID, did make it caps. And then here we have a variable that is doing the search there. Okay, record ID. So I prefer to put it like that. And then if record exists, and then update payload, give it like this. If you already have a non-portal B from yeah, so we have it like this. Okay, everything is fine there. You do the return, create payload for creation there. Okay, everything is fine. Okay, beautiful. And then the good things is like every time when the system gives the code or optimize for you, they give an explanation, so you must just read through the explanation as well. So and then let's say for instance, I want each of them to have their own functions. Like so, we have like create, update. Yeah, create and update, and which one again? Create and update. Yeah, for instance. So let's see what's gonna give to us. So as you can see, it did kind of like fix your code, like optimize your code, like nutty, like yeah, you just clean it up a bit. So now we need the functions. Okay, so we have this. Okay, so that is fine. Okay, as you can see now, we have functions there. So the search exemplary code, and then we have create exemplary code. Okay, so we have it like that. Beautiful. So now, yeah, so this one here, I like to create like the function at least is good way to keep your code a bit and clean it and also kind of like organize. So yeah, so it's giving us these things here. So now let's do just a basic test to see a copy and paste. So here we're going just to update. Let's say for instance, Nick, the student is Nick. Okay, so want it to update the other side. Oh no, it's gonna update it because of yeah. All right, so here we have some error codes. You can see move function declaration to function. Okay, move function declaration to function body root. So yeah, so we can, let's just try to move it out. So we're gonna move it out. I'll test this one here. Normally we always put this stuff on top and then after that we adjust accordingly. We have portal B, so it's looking for okay, portal B. So looking for this. So this is the way that you always you can see this. So now the optimization, the when we add the function, so now we have 162 line of code. So we're gonna just have to compare with the other one there. But let's just remove this. Just for to see how many line of code we have. Go down to 138. Okay, let's test. Okay, test here. Okay, we can update it. Okay, let's see. Yeah, so the record has been updated. All right, so this is the way of yeah. So you can see now. So this is the way out of when you copy whatever that's this the AI is gonna give to you. So there's gonna be something that's gonna have to adjust. So now for you to adjust like this, you really need to know uh, the logic already of your code. You see, so because that way is going to be easy to debug and stuff like that, so you can understand certain things. So as you can see, the code can tend to become kind of like complex. You see, so from basic to something else. So Yeah. So now let's bring it back to normal the way that it was. So our code was like this. Bring it back. All right. So as you can see, our code was 121 line of code. So this is the way that of like improving your code and making it to be very tidy. And then if you want to make functions, you must make function, because a function at least is kind of like modular way of doing things. Yeah, it's giving you some more control. All right. Thank you so much. If you like this video, subscribe for more.